There are places on Earth that defy logic, lands where compasses spin endlessly, stones move on their own, and strange lights dance across the night sky. Science, our most powerful tool to understanding the universe, has tried to explain them, but failed. From the heart of the oceans to the frozen ends of the world, these are not just mysteries, they are reminders that the Earth still holds secrets beyond human comprehension. So, are you ready to question reality itself? Because today we are uncovering 10 mysterious places that science still cannot explain. Number 1. The Bermuda Triangle, the Devil's Playground. It is one of the most feared regions on Earth, a stretch of ocean between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. For decades, ships and planes have vanished here without a trace. Over 1,000 lives lost. No distress calls, no wreckage, nothing. Scientists try to blame methane gas eruptions, compass anomalies, even magnetic interference, but none fit every case. Some pilots reported electronic failure moments before disappearing. Others claimed to see strange fogs glowing blue. Even today, planes fly cautiously around this region, not because of proven danger, but because of the unknown. A triangle that swallows logic and leaves only silence. Number 2. The Door to Hell, Darwaza Gas Crater, Turkmenistan. Imagine a hole in the middle of the desert burning with fire for over 50 years. That is the Darwaza Gas Crater, known to locals as the Door to Hell. In 1971, Soviet scientists were drilling for gas. Suddenly, the ground collapsed, revealing a massive underground cavern. Fearing methane leaks, they set it on fire, expecting it to burn for weeks. But the flames never went out. Half a century later, the crater still burns like the beneath of the earth itself, feeding on something beneath that no one has ever fully explored. What lies below remains a mystery. Maybe something the earth does not want us to see. Number 3. The Lake of Skeletons, Rupkund, India. Over 16,000 feet above sea level lies a frozen lake surrounded by the Himalayas. Every summer, as the ice melts, hundreds of human skeletons appear beneath the water. When discovered in 1952, the British thought that they were Japanese soldiers, but carbon dating revealed something darker. They were over 1,000 years old. All the skulls had deep fractures, as if struck from the above. Local legends speak of the goddess who rained death upon those who defiled her mountain. Scientists say hailstones, but how can hail kill hundreds of people in a single moment? No one truly knows what happened that day, and every year the lake reveals its dead again. Number 4. The Nazca Lines, Peru. Stretching across the desert of southern Peru are enormous shapes, lines forming animals, spirals, and geometric designs visible only from the sky. Created over 2,000 years ago, these massive artworks, some stretching hundreds of meters, were made by removing the top layer of reddish stones to reveal the white soil beneath. But why? The Nazca people had no flying machines, no way to see their creations from above. Were these drawings astronomical maps, or, as some believe, message to visitors from the stars? Even with modern technology, the purpose of the Nazca Lines remains one of the history's most elegant enigmas. Number 5. The Blood Falls, Antarctica. In the coldest place on Earth, a waterfall bleeds red from the heart of a glacier. No, it is not blood. It's salt water rich in iron, oxidizing when it hits the air. Science explains this color, yes, but not the source. How does liquid water exist beneath miles of ice in sub-zero temperature for millions of years? Researchers discovered ancient microbes thriving in total darkness, feeding on minerals untouched by the surface world. This isn't just strange, it's a proof that life can exist in places we never imagined, maybe even beyond Earth. Number 6. The Boiling River in Peru. Deep in the Amazon jungle lies a river so hot it boils alive anything that falls in. Birds, animals, even humans cooked instantly. Local legends speak of a serpent spirit that heats the water, but scientists baffled, discovered the river stretches for over 4 miles, reaching temperature above 200 Fahrenheit. Yet there is no nearby volcano. The heat comes from the deep within the Earth's crust, a geothermal phenomena so rare it should not exist where it does. Some call it a miracle, others a warning. Number 7. The Zone of Silence, Mexico. In northern Mexico, there is a patch of desert where radios fail, compasses go wild, and even satellites lose signal. It is called the Zone of Silence. When scientists tried to study it, their equipment malfunctioned. Meteorites fall here more frequently than anywhere else on Earth, as if something attracts them. Locals tell stories of tall, pale beings appearing in the desert, speaking perfect Spanish, then vanishing without a trace. Science shrugs, the desert stays silent. Number 8. The Devil's Sea, Japan's Bermuda Triangle. East of Japan lies another triangle of terror, the Dragon's Triangle or Devil's Sea. Like its Atlantic twin, it has swallowed countless ships and submarines. In 1950s, Japan lost a research vessel with over 30 crew members, never found again. Some blame underwater volcanoes, others speak of portals, magnetic fields, or even underwater alien bases. Whatever it is, the ocean guards its secrets fiercely. Number 9. Magnetic Hill, Ladakh, India. A road that defies gravity. Park your car at a certain spot, turn off the engine, and it begins to roll uphill. Tourists from around the world test it themselves. Cameras confirm it. Scientists claim it's an optical illusion caused by the layout of the surrounding terrain. But when you are standing there watching your car climb against logic, the illusion feels a little too real. Number 10. Lake Natron, Tanzania. A crimson lake so deadly it turns animals into stone like mummies. Its alkaline water, heated by nearby volcanoes, can reach 60 centigrade and has pH near 10.5, enough to burn skin. Flamingos, however, thrive here, nesting where no other life can survive. How? Scientists still cannot fully explain their adaptation. In a land where everything dies, life still dances. Perhaps that's the real mystery. Not death, but survival. For every mystery we solve, 10 more appear. We like to believe science has all the answers, but the world is far older, far deeper, and far more complex than we can imagine. Maybe some things are not meant to be explained. Maybe they are here to remind us that wonder is as vital as knowledge. So the next time you look at the map, remember there are still places where reason ends and the unknown begins. If you enjoyed this journey into the explained, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which of these places would you dare to visit, because the next mystery might be waiting closer than you think. I'll see you in the next one.